We infuse pure gold and silver into flames, vaporizing them to shift the hues under extreme heat of 3000 degrees Celsius. Once cooled and solidified, they turn into ultra-fine colored metallic strands and particles, suspended inside the glass hull, forming unique 3D cosmic star patterns exclusive to each piece. We then set opals and gold beads as miniature planets, telling them glow alongside the swirling stellar galaxy. This highly intricate craft requires master artisans with over a decade of professional glass blowing experience. A single Starglass takes dozens of hours to complete, with zero possibility of mass machine production or identical replication. Every shade and stellar detail originates from genuine gold and silver, invoking the radiance of celestial matter from outer space. Our luminous Starglass encapsulates fragments of ancient stars right in your palm, with countless metallic sparkles recreating the soft glow of a boundless cosmic galaxy.